Hello, today we will guide you through how to add an admin to an Instagram page using Facebook Business Suite. To get started, make sure you're signed into Facebook with an account that already manages the page connected to your Instagram. Having the right permissions is important because only people with sufficient access can invite new admins. Begin by opening Facebook in your browser and heading to your Facebook page that's linked to the Instagram account you want to manage. You'll find your pages listed in the left-hand navigation. Select the correct page so you're working in the right place. Once you're on the page, look for the option to open Meta Business Suite. This may appear in the left menu or near the page tools. Meta Business Suite is where you'll manage people, permissions, and assets for both Facebook and Instagram under your business. Inside Meta Business Suite, check the top left corner for the Profile or Business Selector. Open that drop-down to confirm you're viewing the correct business or portfolio. If you manage more than one, selecting the right one here prevents you from adding admins to the wrong place. Next, click the small settings gear to open business settings. This is where access and roles are controlled. In the left-hand menu, choose People. You'll see a list of users who currently have access to your business. Click Invite People. A panel will open prompting you to add the people you want to invite. Enter their work email addresses carefully as invitations are sent there. You can invite multiple people at once if needed. Follow the on-screen steps to set their permissions. To make someone an admin, look for the option to grant full control or admin access to the business. This level of access allows them to manage settings, people, and assets. During the invite flow, you'll also see options to assign assets. Be sure to include the Instagram account associated with your page and grant the appropriate level of control there as well. If you don't see the Instagram account listed, double-check that it's connected to your business in Instagram settings and that you're in the correct business profile. Review the summary of access before sending the invite, then confirm. The invited person will receive an email to accept and finalize their access. Until they accept, their status will appear as pending. You can resend or cancel the invite from the People section anytime. That's it. You've invited a new admin through Meta Business Suite with the right access to your Instagram page. After they accept, they'll be able to help manage content, messages, and settings, all from the same suite.